If handshake is going to bring unity, if handshake is going to bring business environment being conducive, if handshake is going to bring peace and coming together of what was previously not possible, what a noble activity. As young people, we are not a beneficiary of the two leaders, but we shall definitely be beneficiaries of such a country where unity, peace and love will reign.
That is one of the challenges that we are giving the president, that going forward, we need to see more inclusion of young people in governance and in in all sectors of even the Big Four agenda, because the youthful population is on the rise in the country. That is something we can't run away from.
The song of we want, we must sometimes create antagonism. We are saying our country is headed to a direction that is serene for all of us. We want to be part of that country where we can live together regardless of our ethnicity, religion, gender, and exclusionality is no longer a word to be fit.